I like sports. I like sports. He plays football. He plays football. She runs fast. She runs fast. They watch cricket. They watch cricket. We love basketball. We love basketball. The game is fun. The game is fun. The ball is round. The ball is round. He kicks the ball. He kicks the ball. She hits the ball. She hits the ball. The team is strong. The team is strong. We play tennis. We play tennis. They swim well. They swim well. He jumps high. He jumps high. The match is close. The match is close. She wins the race. She wins the race. He loses the game. He loses the game. We train hard. We train hard. They practice daily. They practice daily. The coach is kind. The coach is kind. Sports keep us healthy. Sports keep us healthy. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more simple English sentences.